Once you've tasted homemade marshmallows, the store-bought kind just won't cut it anymore. Here's how you can make your own. First, combine an equal amount of sifted powdered sugar and potato starch in a medium bowl. This will be used as a coating for the marshmallows to prevent them from sticking to the pan, your working surface, and eventually your knife when you cut them. Once the two powders are combined, set that aside and generously spray a 9x9-inch baking dish with cooking spray or brush with neutral oil. Sprinkle in about a quarter cup of the sugar-starch mixture, then tap and rotate the pan to evenly distribute the powder. Shake out the excess, then set aside. In a large bowl, combine half a cup of water and 3 packets of gelatin powder. After it's mixed together, leave to bloom while you prepare the next part. Add granulated sugar, maple syrup or light corn syrup if you don't want the flavor of maple, a pinch of salt, and half a cup of water to a medium saucepan. Turn the heat to medium-high and bring the mixture up to a light boil. Reduce the heat slightly and begin taking the temperature. Once it's between 235 and 240 Fahrenheit, immediately remove from the heat. Slowly pour the sugar mixture into the bloomed gelatin while whisking with an electric mixer or stand mixer. Eventually you will notice that the mixture will expand drastically and turn an off-white color and be very sticky. Transfer the mixture to your prepared pan immediately, then gently shake to even out the top. This now needs to sit uncovered at room temperature for 12 hours. After the mixture has set, dust the top with more of your sugar and starch mixture, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Once there's a nice layer of powder, use a knife to gently separate the marshmallow mixture from the edge of the pan. You should now be able to easily remove from the pan and transfer to a cutting board dusted with the sugar and starch mixture. To avoid as much sticking as possible, spray your knife on both sides with cooking spray, then generously dust with the sugar starch. Be liberal with the dusting. These marshmallows are very sticky. Slice the marshmallow loaf into your preferred size, making sure to redust the knife before each cut. Finally, sprinkle the cut marshmallows with more powder, then transfer to a sheet tray or bowl to completely coat in the remaining sugar starch mixture. These are now ready to enjoy in your next s'more, hot chocolate, or just straight up. They're that good. Check out one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.